Hi, it's Marek from Banana Panda. Did you know that reading with your child shows them your engagement and caring? This is a great way to spend time together and teaches children that reading can be a lot of fun. 1-year-olds can do a lot of things already. They can move around with much greater confidence, some by crawling and others by walking. They are gaining skills in manipulating objects and imitate animal sounds, repeat simple words with much greater understanding of their meaning. They are also capable of displaying big emotions such as joy, fear, and anger. These children are ready to discover the world alongside their loved ones. Before we jump in, here are a few quick tips to make it a positive learning experience for you and your child. Pay attention to whether your child is listening to you and looking at what you're trying to show. Speak slowly and clearly and use your index finger to point to things. Play is supposed to be fun above all else. If your child is tired or discouraged, try again another day. The books are made of certified materials, but during play, make sure your child doesn't put them into their mouth. Okay, let's start. Sit in front of unfolded book. Ask your child to listen carefully and point to the animal or object you name. Now start with simple sentences like, "The butterfly is flying," or "The bus is full of people," "The plane flies high." You can also ask another child to show more than one animal or object you've named in order. This is an important skill. The ladybug met a butterfly in the field. Then they flew to the bee. The game I showed you develops understanding the speech of others, memory, concentration, attention, and focus. This game is my favorite. Look at the pictures of animals. Think up a characteristic movement for each one involving the mouth or tongue. Let's have a hamster. Puff your cheeks out with air as if you have a mouth full of food. Yawn wildly like a cat and have a big stretch. Roar with your mouth open wide. Roar. Suck in your lips like a fish, opening and closing them quickly. Encourage your child to imitate you once you show how each movement should be done. This game is a lot of fun. It develops facial muscle dexterity, facial expressions, preparing the face and tongue to pronounce difficult words. There is much more you can do with the book. For more inspirations, check our guide with 29 ideas for educational fun with little library, 100 first words.